How's it, everyone? Hope you all are doing well. In this vid, I'll show you the process of registering to vote for ideas you want to see funded in Cardano. Any ADA holder with at least 8,000 ADA can vote. Registration ends on December 15th, so if you want to participate, please register as soon as possible. Voting starts on December 15th and will end on January 4th, 2021. Tallying and funding takes place thereafter and completes also in January 2021. During this process, you'll need a few things. Your recovery phrase of your wallet with at least 8,000 ADA. Please be super paranoid about keeping this safe. You'll need the Catalyst version of Dataless. You'll also need a modern iOS or Android mobile device that has a working camera, and the latest version of the Catalyst voting app. If you do have an older version of the Catalyst voting app, please uninstall it before proceeding. Links will be posted below. Please like and share. Let's get started. So I'm going to start here on this Cardano forum post. There's a link here where you can find the instructions for registering to vote. It's a Google Doc, and I'll go through this process with you guys. So let's scroll down and go through the steps. You'll need to download and install the Dataless Catalyst version of the wallet. Please make sure to download it only from their official website, and make sure you use the Catalyst version, not the Flight or the mainnet version. So we'll follow this link and download. I'm using Windows, so make sure you're using the Catalyst version here. And I'll let this download. Okay, download's complete. Let's go ahead and install it. I'll come back once this is complete. All right, got it loaded here. We'll go with the defaults. Agree. Now we're gonna have to restore our wallet. For security purposes, I'm gonna do this and I'll be right back. Alright, I've restored my wallet. Make sure the wallet you're restoring does have at least 8,000 ADA. I'll let this sync. This will take a while. I'll pause and I'll return once this completes. Okay, so next I'm going to install the Catalyst voting app on my iPad here. I went to the App Store and did a search for Catalyst voting. If you have an older version, please make sure to uninstall it before proceeding. So I'll go ahead and go through this process to install this application. Okay, installation complete. I'll go ahead and open it up. And there we go. And we can skip that. And here we are. So we'll come back to this in the next steps. Okay, my wallet's finally done syncing. It took me a few hours to get completely synced. I'd suggest doing the step first just to give it enough time to sync. Like I said, mine took a few hours. So I get that installed, get the sync going, and give it the time that it needs because it's trying to sync the whole blockchain. You just want to make sure you have enough ADA. You need at least 8,000 ADA to be eligible to vote. And you also have to keep in mind you have to have some for transfer fee. So I think right now the transfer fee is 0.17 ADA. So, less than 1 ADA for the transfer fee. So we'll continue on the next step here. We want to click on the voting icon on the left here and then follow the on-screen instructions. All right, so I've completed the 3 steps. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm all steps have been completed. Continue with the registration. We're gonna select the wallet that'll be used for voting. For security purposes, I'm gonna pause. All right, I'm gonna submit my registration transaction. Like I said, the transfer fee is 0.174961 ADA. Submit. Now on this step, it's telling me to ensure my registration is confirmed. I will need to wait 1 hour before proceeding. It's telling me if I close this window or wallet, I will need to start the registration process again. So I'll leave this open for an hour and I'll come back when this is complete. All right, my timer has completed the countdown. Now I can confirm my registration transactions, which I'm going to do now. Go ahead and click that. All right, the next step is to create a PIN. I've gone ahead and entered my PIN here, and you have to make sure you remember what it is, because if you forget what your PIN is, I believe you're going to have to go through this whole process again. I'll go ahead and create PIN. So now it's providing me with my QR code. You want to make sure you save this QR code. I'm going to create a snippet here, and I'll save that. If you lose this, I believe you're going to have to go through this whole process again. So make sure you save this. So on my Catalyst voting app, I'm going to complete the registration. And it's going to ask you to download the Ideascale wallet, which we've done. Step 2 is asking us to recover our wallet, which we have done. Then on step 3, it's asking us to generate the QR code in the Ideascale Catalyst. Click on the voting center icon and follow instructions to generate your QR code. Now on this step, it's asking me to please complete my registration now. Scan the QR code using my Catalyst voting app. So I have my voting app right here. And allow it to access the camera. Let's see, try to line it up. And then it's going to ask me to enter my PIN. I'll go ahead and put in my PIN. Okay, decrypt and set access code. Registration is in process and PIN set. Cool, it looks like I'm done here for this step. So next I'm going to click on the Got It button below, and looks like I'm all set. So I've completed my registration. The process was pretty straightforward. It did take some time for the wallet to sync. That took a few hours, and then it lets you wait another hour while you're trying to register. So you really want to give yourself enough time to complete this process. And you want to do so before December 15th. So please give yourself enough time. And thank you for watching this vid.